a shell-shocked city, the Syrian government restoring some basic infrastructure to certain areas of Aleppo. An uncertain calm hangs over the rubble, but the scars of the bloody siege here still linger. The recapture of Aleppo, President Bashar al-Assad's biggest victory of the war so far. But in trying to win the peace, much will hang on the city's reconstruction.
Now you can say our situation is very similar to Berlin in 1946 or in Tokyo in 1946. It's very similar. So you have a destroyed city, mainly destroyed, but we have a strong will to survive and a strong belief in the future.
Aleppo was once Syria's economic heart. 2010 statistics claim around a third of the country's industry was based in the city. Resurrecting it now seen by many onlookers as a priority. But Syria's economy is still stricken by sanctions. And Aleppo is all but surrounded by rebels, connected to other government-held areas by just one road. It's also a tale of two cities, the bombed-out east once the rebel stronghold, and a western Aleppo less ravaged by war. The two sides, divided by almost 4 years of fighting, are now connected by a short train ride. But in their struggle for recovery, there's a gulf between them.